Congratulations! You found the Santu Pirls Stock Market Commentary for October 11th, 2015. Market breadth. With this past week's market advance, our bull-bear point and figure ratio rose 2.99 from 0.41 last week, barely remaining in bearish territory. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns rose fractionally to 2,849. The count of bearish stocks decreased 29%, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns increased 73%. The Santu Pirls P&F Market Breadth Summary Chart shows us a market now 20 consecutive weeks in bearish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the OpenOffice Calc data from which the chart is generated. You may become a paid subscriber by visiting s2pmarketsignal.com, clicking Membership, clicking Register, and following the prompts. To receive our free weekly newsletter, simply enter your email address in the appropriate space. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, rose 225 points for the fourth advance in 6 weeks. At a negative 414.12 points, it continues below all 8 tops above plus 100, continues above the August 2015 bottom, the October 2014 bottom, has now risen above the May 2014 and August 2014 bottoms, and continues below the January 2015 bottom. Volume analysis. In this week's volume analysis, the Nasdaq Composite Index ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode, with average daily volume lower than the prior week. In the last 2 weeks, the Nasdaq had 3 accumulation days and 2 distribution days. Accumulation days are counted when the index closes up on higher volume than the prior market day, while distribution days occur when the index closes down on volume higher than the prior market day. Last week, the Nasdaq ended in accumulation mode on higher average daily volume. Momentum. At a positive 63.88, the CCI 20 daily now has 5 consecutive days above zero and is likely to change back to Woody's up the next market close. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below zero are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's downtrend 3 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's downtrend 1 week ago. The CCI 20 weekly has risen to a negative 65.4 from a negative 147.45 last week, continuing outside the plus or minus 50 range required for a valid zero-line reject, short entry signal. Industry rotation the last 2 weeks. All of the top 5 and bottom 5 industries are positive, and none are negative. Gold and silver continues to lead the top 5. KBW Bank has entered the bottom 5. Brokers continues in the bottom 5. REITs and semis have left the top 5. Oil services has re-entered the top 5. Focus this week. Are precious metals beginning to rebound? We don't trust others' commentary on this subject because it is usually offered by sellers or those with a vested interest, albeit perhaps hidden. We merely look at charts. Silver has just formed a new bullish breakout signal on the 2% 3-box reversal point and figure chart, our preferred indicator. We believe it may be worth watching. Thank you for tuning in for this week's Santu Pirls Stock Market Commentary video featuring the proprietary Bull Bear Point and Figure Market Breadth Summary Chart compiled by Donald Pearl, www.s2pmarketsignal.com. Hoping that you are enjoying a peaceful and pleasant weekend, that you are looking forward to a productive and prosperous week coming up, and wishing you true success.